Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up art commissions. First, clearly define your artistic style and the types of commissions you're comfortable creating. This helps potential clients understand your offerings. Next, establish a transparent pricing structure, considering factors like complexity, size, and materials. Finally, curate a compelling portfolio with your strongest pieces, ensuring it reflects the quality and style clients can expect. This foundational work is crucial for attracting the right opportunities and setting clear expectations from the start. Effective communication is key to successful commissions. Set clear expectations for how and when you'll communicate with clients. Crucially, always use a written contract. This document should detail project scope, revision policies, perhaps 2 or 3 rounds, and firm deadlines. It protects both you and the client. Remember to collect a non-refundable deposit, usually around 50% of the total fee, before you begin any creative work. This secures their commitment and covers initial material costs. Once a commission begins, maintain transparency by providing regular updates and progress shots. This keeps the client engaged and allows for early feedback. Be clear about your revision policy, offering a limited number, perhaps 2 or 3, at designated stages prevents scope creep. Upon completion, ensure the final payment is received before delivering the artwork. Prompt delivery after final payment reinforces professionalism and builds trust for future collaborations. To grow your commission business, actively market your services. Share your work and availability on platforms like Instagram, X, or DeviantArt. Encourage satisfied clients to provide testimonials. Positive feedback is invaluable for attracting new customers. Always strive to refine your artistic skills and adapt your offerings based on market demand and your evolving style. Building a strong reputation and consistently delivering high-quality work will ensure a steady stream of exciting commission opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.